Whoa, excuse me. Welcome to the Bleusomme. God, welcome to the Bleusomme Street. This is my proto-gen. My proto-gen was. Oh God, this is gonna be terrible. I can already feel it in my bones. God. Fudge nutters. This is an Inception. Oh man, you put 27 clips of this thing. Oh God, that's a Mark. You gotta be great, but no. I get to show you guys fun and cool. Alex, do you think I burp too much?
It's...
Thank you for excusing me. I love cake. Delicioso. You ate stinky cheese. No, I didn't. I guess I did. Nah, it could be better, honestly. Pardon me. One more. Okay, now I'm done. I grabbed my tail by accident. That was a mistake. Excuse me for a sec. One, 2, 3, 4. Oh God. 4, 5, 6. Ta-da! Easy. I see that, Redeem. I gotcha. Yeah, I have a lot of that to go around today, I think. It was easy. I was simply allotting time before I could eat a little bit more. See, hold on. It doesn't make any difference. Oh, jeez. Excuse me. Okay. What a terrible mistake. This was a mistake! Playing Jackbox games with community. That means you can play too. Alright? You can play too. And it'll be awesome. Oh, that was weak. Hold on. I don't drink pop or anything like that. All my burps are like 100% natural. But hear me out. That's my point. I think I'll stop eating these for now. So maybe eating a massive amount of that stuff was a bad idea. I have oh god. Oh, here comes another. Excuse me. Oh, there was more to it, but you know what? I let it go. There, done.